how to prep your Discord for bot notifications. So this is the fourth video in my series of how to create automatic notifications. For myself, it's going to be every time a video gets posted to my YouTube channel, a notification will come in. So today what we're going to do is just prep the Discord server a little bit, and I've kind of already done that here and there. If you notice from our previous video, we added the Zapire app we added the Discord app to the Zapire interface. And once we did that, Zapire went ahead and joined the server. You can see that here as well as over here in the offline section. So what I did is I wanted, of course, to have a category. So I created a new category and I called it notifications. And I also created a text channel within that called new videos. So the object is that every time a new video is posted to my YouTube channel, the Zapire app will go, or bot should go ahead and post a new message in here saying that a new video has been posted. So what I've done is, like I've already said, I've created a new category for notifications as well as a new text channel for new videos. So what I want to do though, of course, is I want to be able to restrict who can be posting in new videos because it's only going to be for new videos. So what I've gone ahead and done is gone to edit channel. Okay. Already put in a channel topic that says this channel will receive a notification whenever a new video has been posted. Okay. Then I go over to permissions. Okay. The first thing you're going to edit, of course, is at everyone. So this includes everyone. Okay, unless the role or member has been specified otherwise, which you can do right here by clicking on the little plus icon and adding a role. So for the everyone, of course, I have allowed everyone to create an invite to this channel, but I have removed their permissions to manage channel, manage permissions, manage webhooks. I have allowed them to read messages, but they cannot send messages in the channel. They cannot send text-to-speech messages. Basically, the only thing I wanted them to be able to do in this channel is just read a message and create an invite to the channel. So then what I also did is I created a bot role, and this role will only be assigned to bots within my Discord channel. And then from here, what I'm going to do is I don't want the bot to be able to create an invite. I don't want the bot to be able to manage the channel or manage permissions or manage webhooks. Okay. I do not want them to be able to read messages. However, I do want the bot to send messages because I want it to be able to send a message, of course, send a notification when a new video has been posted. So this is okay. Send text to speech messages, not okay with that. Manage messages, don't want that to be okay either. I am okay with embedded links, and I am okay with attached files. Doesn't really matter for reading message history, and I don't want them to be able to @mention everyone or use external emojis. However, I also do not want them to add reactions. So now I'll go ahead and click on Save Changes. And then say I want to remove the bot section here. You'll notice that if you just right click on it, it just gives you this empty blank space. That's because to remove it, what you have to do is go all the way down in the role sections and click on Remove Bot. But of course, I don't want to remove that. What I also could have done besides doing this, besides creating a role and then assigning that role to the Zapire account, is I could have just clicked on the plus here and just clicked on Zapire, or gone down here and clicked on the Zapire member. That could have also been another option. But what I had decided to do was go into my server settings, okay, and select on roles, and then I created a bot option here. That is in case in the future I get other bots besides Zapire. If I play around with other bot systems instead of Zapire, I can just assign it to them that as well. So that's what I've gone ahead and done. I think that'll make things easier for myself. So that's about all there is to it. I'll go ahead and click on escape here now. And I've gone through and I've prepped my channel for how to get good notifications and get the videos going as soon as I've created the zap between the Zapire and the Discord app, between YouTube and Discord, that is. So in the next video, I'll be back in Zapire showing you how to create that connection so we can finally get these new notifications rolling.